Napadang kiwei kimat kibau pat ba uya kenduk jing ka jing thang kali hanong ba shlong kalong kawei na kimat ka bakta shibon ha kalet kawan tang ya kibana ka jella ndrei ya kibawan jengok kai na kiwei ki jella ru kumjo kumta banwat ikilat kilenti ban pendunai kini ka jing ka baki pat ba kisam na kaliang ka Meghalaya State Planning Board ha ka jing alam chairman uba met ba lingdo ha ka arpulai tere unai lor araja arpusau kala lum jing alang bat baro kitanat ki bari pet banya ai jing mutlang ha ka be dei bat kani kamat kani ka jing alang kadai ka bala penlong ha ka sien ka beningkong bat ki bale shem banta ki kenthop na do ki officer katanat urban PWD transport bat ki pulit Abakran sikilat pathai kubor dian ke jingalang uba met ba lingdo uloong bana kani ke jingalang gila syem ya ke jing ai jing mot ka bakerke na katanat pulet ha ka be dai ke jing duna palat ki pulet penyat kali hapo ke jela da ka penpa ba hadu menta ki dan tang chispa san pongot ki pulet ki ba penyat kali uloong ru bana ka liang ka bor kan ai jing mot sya ka sarkar ba ka dai ban bo jing tho ha katanat kampo yeng ba ka dai ban thung shu iki pulet ban penyat kali
all the suggestions to be taken as far as the traffic congestion solution. But nevertheless, we are here as a board. We will be hearing from each and every departments. And our job is basically to place before the government the suggestions that we have after hearing from all the concerned departments. Today we have heard and we have seen the presentation from different departments, and we will continue in the days to come, and very soon, maybe after 1 week or so, we will again have this round of board meeting, which will be taken up. And as I have said, that the role of the planning board is basically to recommend, to suggest the government about the steps that the government should take in order to find out the solutions to all the line departments, be it beauty, be it home, be it PHE, be it education and so on. So we've started with these 4 departments, so we will continue with this. We have not come to any conclusion as far as today's meeting is concerned, but we have seen and we will be hearing more from other line departments, and we will suggest. After we prepare a comprehensive recommendations and suggestions to the government.
Sir, any highlight means any crucial suggestion or anything that really?
See, immediate solutions which we came across today from the police department is basically lack of manpower. They have lack of manpower. Whatever manpower that they have been assigned as far as traffic constables are concerned. They have only 150 assigned constables for the entire, all the 7 police stations, and that was the strength of at that point of time when they had only 2 or 3 police stations. So that is the immediate solution which we will recommend to the government to immediately place before the Home Department more constables to be available on the ground. Because as of now only 100, and they are having almost 400 home guards. So the home guards, we can't expect too much from them. It's the job of the police department. And the Home Department also, they said that they have been working on it, that they will be placing this immediately. To regulate those who are driving, those who are violating the traffic rules and so on. Shillong is a compliant city, no doubt about it. That's why 2018 I had suggested the Honorable Chief Minister that it's high time that government should move out of Shillong and make a planned new city there. So government has done it, and they're moving in that direction. But how do we do now as far as Shillong is concerned? That is where we are, and we will try to do the best. No, as of now, I will not say anything as far as that is concerned, because we have not come to a conclusion. Let the board decide about all these points to be suggested by anyone.
You said about the number of traffic personnel, but don't you think that number of road is less and number of vehicles are more?
In the next meeting, we are going to have the detailed presentation from the PD departments with regard to Shillong city in particular.
Sir,
And where we also from the board, we will be having an expert members who will be looking into those action plans and plans already implemented and what is the future plans that need to be suggested from the board. We will definitely do that.
Habatin, pej bahagi kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat akabatau bha. Kam kata ika dur jengki marbam kajing mat lani ka rukam shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we kajing mentoy bakongsan. Kakot kakia. Ka nutrition bakambha kajing im bakambha pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.